Hello everyone, so today we'll be going with the phylogeny of prokaryotes. We just started new chapter, prokaryotes. So today is phylogeny of prokaryotes. We were done with the arrangement, like taxonomy of prokaryotes, the scientists who gave these all, like the 5 kingdom classification, then the 2 empires, 3 domains, these all was done. Today is phylogeny of prokaryotes. Okay, before I start, in bioenergetics you will study one term. It's like here it's phylogeny, but there it was phyllotaxy. So do not confuse yourself. Phyllotaxy is like the arrangement of leaves. It's like if a leaf is there, so it's like arrangement of a leaves on the main axis. It's like if this the main axis, so the arrangement of the leaves on the main axis or is called as phyllotaxy. Okay, so right now that's not a topic, that's phyllotaxy, and here we are studying phylogeny. Okay, so I'm sure it will be clear. Now let's start with the phylogeny of prokaryotes. First thing, it's only about what does this word mean. It's like evolutionary linkage, everything done in the past or like before, so many years before. Even there is one particular number, evolutionary linkage. Okay, then these prokaryotes are like very primitive. The word primitive means very old, like they're the first organism or like very old. Okay, so they're called the primitive and they're first inhabitant on earth. It's like first inhabitant on earth. This means they're like very old. Okay, then earth are like earth before, everything right now, it's like before earth was made, or like very it's like, let me write the years. That's everything is around 3.5 billion years ago. So you can look into how old this information would be. 3.5 billion year ago. Why this all is like there? Because when earth at the time, there were so many radiations. There was so many radiation. There was like low concentration of oxygen at that time, low oxygen, and radiations were too much. There were very less molecular oxygen, and in these type of condition still prokaryotes were only which can survive. Okay, so this means prokaryotes very nice, they could survive in these type of environment as well, but it was not enough. The prokaryote, and yes, when we talk about prokaryote, from where they are like evolved, so prokaryotes that are evolved from protobiont ancestor. It's like MCQs, protobionts. Ancestors. Okay, then they're like selective. When we talk about the selective habitat, if you know, you can write in the comment box, but there's like particular name that's called as microbial mats. Okay, then they all are evolved or like evidenced by the fossils, and that all is like very old, 3.5 years ago. And yes, they are like, there was very thick type of substance, like hydrothermal vents were present, energy, and these all vents were very important at the time, and they were like sticky. How? If these are the stones present in the rivers, above to that side there was a very thick like structure. That thick sticky moist like secretion is called as extracellular matrix. this means like outside of the cell, so they were not inside the cell. Extracellular matrix is present, we just directly say this. And yes, these mats then derived from like a very old, this topic is like very old, before when fossils were present. It's only information about prokaryotes, how old are their evolutionary linkage, and a lot of things like that. Okay, so it's only a basic information. I'm sure it will be clear to you. So yes, thank you for watching. Bye bye.